mung beans, potato, vermicelli pasta, one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pasta recipes and one of the most different of the vermicelli recipes, one of the most nutritious of the beans recipes. Today we are going to make mung beans potato vermicelli pasta. The ingredients are around 150 grams of vermicelli pasta, 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, large size, 25 grams of garlic, 10 to 15 shallots, and 75 grams of mung beans. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Shallots with the pinkish color. Now put in the garlic pieces. putting the put in one piece of chicken stock. And mix thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. This is optional. Thoroughly mix. Keep on sorting and mixing. Pour in a spoon of mixture of spices. Mix. Thoroughly mix the mixture of spices with the chicken stock cube and the potato and the garlic and the shallots. Sorry. Mix. Mix in the onion. Thoroughly salt and mix. Keep on sorting. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix. And let the mixture cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, now put in the vermicelli pasta. mix. Mix heavily. Now put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. Now the mung beans, potato, vermicelli pasta is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mung beans, potato, vermicelli pasta. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most delicious of the pasta recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the vermicelli pasta recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.